Ever wondered if there's a herb that helps with kidney stones? Sambong is known as a diuretic, but how does it really work? This herb helps increase urine production and flush out toxins. But wait, there's more. Sambong also manages high blood pressure. So, not only does it help with kidney stones, but it supports heart health too. Curious about how to use Sambong in your daily routine? You can brew it as a tea or take it as a supplement. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedy. Explore the benefits of Sambong and embrace natural healing.